मैम वेरी
दो ही लोग हैं मैम, सिर्फ दो ही लोग हैं मैम। ये जो
very
पूरा मुद्दा हुआ है मैम, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? मथुरा जा रही हैं?
मथुरा में जा रही हूँ।
Ma'am, even after you knew what has happened in Mathura, why were you still shooting in Mud Island, ma'am?
No, I did not know at that time at all.
Ma'am,
when
you're the
the
MP of the
morning,
constituency.
no. All these things happened in the afternoon or by evening. It happened. My shooting is from morning 8 o'clock onwards. I was ready and I had gone. So you don't blame me for that.
Ma'am, but
And
you're the MP
listen
of the
to me one more minute. I am an artist, so I given appointment for my shooting for 6 days, which I had to do it. But because I had to go to Mathura before 2 days, when Ravi Shankar Prasad ji had come and then to announce the 2 years of our BJP completion Sarkar, so I attended that. I just came day before yesterday, and then whatever the date is given, I am given shooting for that.
अच्छा मैम, कितना दुखदाई है ये सुनकर मैम, इतने सारे पुलिसकर्मी जो है उनके साथ ऐसा हो गया है आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी।
देखिए 2 साल पहले से ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, ऐसा बता रहे हैं, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल में सिर्फ 2 महीना पहले पता चला कि यहाँ इस किस्म के लोग हैं एंड दे हैव encroached that place near DM, that it is a cantonment area. And then I was asking DM also कि ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, and then how you people can't control them. Then I come and also our BJP, many of the netas have been constantly telling them, I believe कि some kind of people are here, just check up on that. See, but when I go, they take me to some villages, from Nala ठीक कर दो, road ठीक कर दो, बिजली लगा दो. These are the issues they come out with. Wait, don't talk too much. Just wait.
पुलिसकर्मियों की जो डेथ हुई है, जो इतने सारे लोग
हाँ
मारे
जी,
गए,
ये अवॉइड हो सकता था, लेकिन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हैज बीन आस्किंग फॉर एक्स्ट्रा पावर टू कंट्रोल this kind of a people, but somehow UP government has not given them the authority to go ahead with that. So they were waiting for 2 months. Constantly the fight is going on between police and those people. And then yesterday it has erupted in such a way which was not expected at all.
मैम ऐसा भी कहा जा रहा है कि जब आपने ट्विटर की जो आपने ट्वीट किए थे मॉर्निंग में, उसके बाद बीजेपी वाले थोड़े से नाराज हो गए थे, जिसके बाद आपने डिलीट कर दिया। क्या इस तरह की कोई बातचीत है?
नहीं. See, I went for a shooting. I was shooting. I am unaware of anything. So I am shooting. So whatever I saw, whatever I just tweeted like that. So that you cannot take it. How do I know that this is going to happen?
Ma'am, this happened at 5 o'clock yesterday. You didn't know till this
5
morning,
in the evening. Yes.
5 in the
Yes,
evening, ma'am.
yes.
But you didn't know
But
till this
see,
morning.
normally lot of things keeps happening, and then it was not to that big. So my people in Mathura told me there is no need for you to come. We are handling everything. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Then
have you spoken to Akhilesh Yadav, ma'am?
Yeah. Now it is Akhilesh Yadav's government has to take care of the law and order properly, which somehow it has not happened.
जाते ही पहला कदम क्या उठाएंगी मैम? जाते ही पहला कदम क्या उठाएंगी?
पहले कदम तो काफी हमारे लोग उधर हैं, सब मैं क्या उठा सकते हैं. It is the सरकार has to take a stand on this matter.
चलिए मैम, थैंक यू
UP सरकार.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू.